Solve using the quadratic formula. Since our equation is already equal to 0, we can go ahead and identify A as 4, B as 0, and C as -3. We will substitute these values into the quadratic formula, which is x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's do substitution. So we'll do x equals the opposite of b would be 0 plus or minus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times -3 all over 2 times 4. Now we need to simplify under the radical. This is the radicand or the discriminant. So we'll simplify this part of it. Since it is 0 plus or minus, we don't really need the 0. We can just go ahead and do plus or minus the square root. So that would be 4 times 4 is 16, times 3 is 48, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So that would be plus or minus the square root of 48 over 2 times 4 is 8. Now we need to do a factor tree to break down 48. So we could do 6 and 8, which would be 2 and 3, or 2 and 4. Break down our 4 into 2 and 2. So when we have 48, it looks like we're going to have a set of 2's and another set of 2's. So that'll make plus or minus 4 square root of 3 over 8. Now we need to simplify top to bottom. We can look at the 4 and the 8 and realize that 4/8 simplifies to 1/2. So our final answer is plus or minus the square root of 3 over 2.